Okay, we're back. And as you see, we did not put it together yet. Apparently, my daughter feels I need to put this together and do the best that I can, and then she will help. I can't blame her. As a parent, I've pushed her so many times to be her best. Now, this is the part I was telling you about. This weaves together the light. It will hold the light on. And actually, if you look at this piece here, it's going to go up and down this piece. The light could. And it's this shape here. This is the bottom. And what we're going to do, the company looks like they've made it kind of easy. And so what we're going to do, if you will look at the bottom, if you have this particular system, this part here allows you to slip this in this compartment like that. Okay? And while you're slipping it like that, I'm gonna try and hold it in place. Okay? And we've got the washer and this here screw. I hope I'm screwing it correctly. I don't know much about screwing. That's what she said. Okay, let me go the other way. I'm not used to doing this. Let me try from this side because it doesn't look as though it's doing it. Okay, there we go. I've tightened it. Okay. And so now that I've tightened it, what we will need to do is we will need to secure the lights and the light fixture on here. I have it here. Excuse me. Okay, and at the top here, it appears to have generally the same setup, but I will have to take the screw off, and when I take the screw off, apparently I put the screw back on. Let me see now. Oh boy. Let me see if I could hold it in place and secure it somehow. Okay. All right. And so I'm lifting it up on the thing so that you will get a chance to see us put the rest of it together. And I'm just screwing it back in. I hope it doesn't fall. Now, what we have is we have the other pictures. You see, this is the top that goes on here. Let me look and see. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, now this part goes with the lights. We're not going to turn on any lights right now, but what we can do is love is a mini splendor thing. Aha. I'm looking at my parts. I've got that secured. Okay. Now actually, let me turn this over. When I read my instructions, this actually goes here. See? Okay, and we put that there. And I surmise that this is, whoops, that goes on the other side. Okay, so let's flip that back over. Okay, and what we'll do is this goes like that. Okay, that's really groovy, don't you think? All right, so what we do now is we've got these pieces secured, and my question is, what do they do with these things? I'm not sure. Let me see what the instructions. Oh wow, these I guess are for if you don't use all of the spaces, it will keep a space for you. Oh wow, and I just discovered that accidentally putting that down. I might be smart after all. Alrighty, so then we've got this nice little basket. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, I forgot. They've got this nice little piece right here. And this little piece right here, it actually helps gauge the water level, no doubt. Let me check. This is the maximum level, and this is the minimum level. Now how does this go? Let me see. Now I see the hole right here, but that doesn't seem right. Let me see. Now, does it sit inside? Oh, wow. It probably does. Let me see. Oh, wait a minute. We have to undo that. When it's like this, I guess you get to see when mistakes happen, because you get to see, oh, you're just like myself, a normal person. What I'm doing is I'm putting it back in that slot. Boy, that hen is doing a lot of work, isn't it? So, I guess when the water comes up, does it? Let me see. I'm thinking we may have it incorrect. I guess it is right. The water will push this up and through the hole. Okay, it's just I want to make sure we do this correctly. And so now, there we go, putting it back into the hole. It's okay to second guess yourself. You just want to make sure you're doing it right. I know I do. Okay, so we've got the covers, but I think I want to use all of the spaces. So let's go ahead and put the baskets in each hole. If you see me looking over occasionally, it's because Polo may be moving, and I just want to check that the noises I hear are coming from him. Okay. Let me see. Do we see it or is it not? Okay, this is without the seeds. And so I'm curious. See, it has a hole, and it has a hole right there. I'm curious why it has a hole. Oh well. So let me see which side we put the seeds in. We don't want to put the seeds on the wrong side, do we? Okay. Nobody does it better. Makes me feel sad for the rest. Nobody does it half as good as you. Baby, you're the best. Okay, so they go down. That looks like it may be down that way. They did not specify yet in my reading. So, baby, 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 you're the best. Okay. No. Nobody does it better. Makes me feel sad for the rest. Nobody does it half as good as you. Baby, you're the best. Baby, 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 you're the best. Boy, this is kind of dirty, but I've got it. This is without using any lights. And you've got the domes here. Oh my. I'm very cautious. Okay. And so we're adding the domes. Add. So we've got the domes that we're adding. I know you're probably going, that poor girl. She's trying to do the best that she can. But don't worry. See? It's so easy. Even a girl like myself could do it. And so what it is those act like a greenhouse with the lights on it. And it has, see, where you can use the controls to turn it on and off. Now here we have one end, and then we're going to connect it to the other end. Oh wow, that's it, right? Easy to connect. Now if you give me a moment, let me go ahead and plug it in. Oh wow, we have lights, we have liftoff. And they did include some tags so that if you need to tag your products and know which plants you put what in, you can do so. And remember, we did move this. Let's try it again. So that you know you can adjust the level as it grows. Okay, so you put the water. This will gauge your water level at the top of the sticker. It is, if you look in the left corner here, the top of the sticker lets you know that this is the water level as it because you have it, and this is the lower and the top. And as the water level goes down, you'll see this go down. Okay? Now, this seems to be a very good project. I mean, even